Okay, I have a random circle with a random size and a random square with a random size. And I want that this circle has the same diameter as the length of this square. When I grab this guy, obviously I have to start from this edge. So therefore, let's change the pivot of the circle, pressing G for grab and then V for pivot. And again G and press Ctrl so it snaps to this edge. So that's the first step. And the second step is obviously scaling. So let's press S for scale. The pivot is at the same location. And if you press S again, we can scale, but we cannot make a precise scaling. So we can make something like this. It looks okay, but obviously there is a gap. And it is eyeballing and we don't want to eyeball stuff. So I press escape and I show you the complete process. So let's press S again and then look for freestyle. That's this option, press F. And this freestyle scaling consists of 3 clicks. The first click determines the start of your scale. So that's this edge obviously. The second click determines the endpoint, that's the other edge of the circle, and the third click determines the ratio. So I want to scale my circle to this edge of the sheet. And obviously I want to keep the proportion, so I want to keep it as a circle, so therefore I toggle on uniform and there you have it. So you can also do something like this. If I go back a step and press S again and F for freestyle, you can start to scale your circle like so. So you can make something like this. Obviously, in this case, it doesn't make any sense. But let's look at an actual use case. Therefore, I will load in a reference image. So here it is. Let's say we want to model this ugly vehicle. And here is the length of this guy. Let's first change the units to inch and create a line with this length, 231.7. So I create a line with Shift A, first click, then I press Tab for changing the length, 231.7. I will center this guy, this line, which will be my reference line. Let's adjust this reference image. So I select this reference image with G and I change the pivot right away, pressing V, and I bring it to exactly here. And I press G again and snap it to the beginning of our reference line. Press OK. Okay, now let's scale this guy. Pressing S. The pivot remains at the same position. Let's apply our freestyle scaling to this guy. Pressing F. And now the 3 clicks I talked about at the beginning. So the first click is here at the start of this distance. The second click is here at the ending. And the third click is at the end of the line here. And of course we want to have a uniform scale, so I toggle on uniform and there you have it. And if you don't believe me, let's measure it with this measure distance tool. And there you have it. Our vehicle has the correct length. But please model more beautiful vehicles. Peace!